Hayi, kukaka nongaphiswanga. Lapha kumadlanga commission bathe nje hayi abahlehle kancane beindaba manje sekonakele. Emveni kokuba kuphuma imibiko yokuthi umongameli unama ID numbers awu 3. Abe noxhaxha lweinkampani awaregister ngaphansi kwalama ID number ezisebenzayo lezo zikampani ngisho ewumongameli. Ayi. Webafowethu asiyazi into eyenzeka lapha ya. Lokho kwesevele kwaqubula nezinkulumo zakudala zokuthi kahle hle lo kaRamaphosa wafika ehamba noyise kuleli. Hayi ukuthi wayizalelwe khona la. Asazi basho njalo. Hayi ke kodwa ngapha ke kwemadlanga commission ayiza ihluka imbodla lapha kumacengwana yeyeni webantu. Ubhula umlilo ngezandla. Hayi kodwa kamacengwana uyazama uyadudula. Into ke inkinga kakhulu ukuthi phela umacengwane njobe khuluma nje kwi-ad hoc imadlanga imlalele akalalelwe yiyona yodwa ulalelwe nama-investigator aphenye icala labo njengoba umkwanazi wabavulela icala we macengwane siyakukhuza.
Hayi ke president yethu nama ID number 83 yo president nama ID number 3 guys. Yena kuseyo mina thina nje comrades in arms guys whom we are with comrades in arms, you know very well we've seen this before, like 2 years back or last year early. Nathi we were shocked. The very same president is going to be shocked. The president was shocked. Iposasa ikhuluma ngayo. I'm shocked. I never heard of such. Marikana, I'm shocked. Never heard of. Kwathiwa yendoda nama emails. No, but I'm shocked. I never thought it would be Ganj, and I'm shocked. Okay, kwabuye kwaba iposasa shocked. Kwaba delegation ka-ANC going to Zimbabwe using SANDF assets. The president was shocked. Kwatholakala kwifamu yakhe ama-millions, if not ama-billions. The president was shocked. Our president nje ihlala i-shocked, imangele ukuthi kwenzeke kanjani, yabo kwenzeke kuphi. So manje yaba shocked ukuthi I didn't know ukuthi this guy is my nephew, is my relative. I once was married to the aunt, but I didn't know ukuthi bahlala same round now. Especially out. So now unama apparently unama ID numbers ayi-3. So bekunento ethi uGeneral Sinona wama-Hawks makacime lama ID numbers awu-2, acime yonke into that is related, even the businesses, the companies that are related to the other numbers. So I think it was strategic ukuthi wonke umuntu abe glued kuSibiya. Yabo, wonke umuntu was glued kuSibiya strategically. Then kanti kuzovela le ukuthi ipresident ngathi iyathinteka la. Remember ukuthi kulento kuthiwa ama-syndicates basaveze top 5 asazi ubani, but manje sekhona umyalelo ophuma kulo abamsola ngokuthi naye uyi-syndicate, uyi-top 5 ukuthi bekhona into ethi gijimani nicime General Sinona gijimani nicime yonke into ephathelene nalama ID numbers ka-comrade president. So angazi bafethu, but I know ukuthi response ka-president mina bengithi angabizwa nokubiza because I'm shocked. Angabuzwa nokubuzwa kayeko nje kanje umuntu waba shocked engazi ukuthi kunama-millions. Nalabantu i-most yabo ababewantshontshile sebaba senkosini, basenkosini abasenamiye, but i-most yabo sebaba senkosini. Kodwa ke kunzima bafethu. So kuvela ukuthi i-president impela ngathi unama ID numbers ayi3 and lento phela yasefam uma kukuthi ingendlela esasengakhona leyo nto icishe singayibiza nje ukuthi money laundering awukwazi kuba nemali engaka and then ungadeclare and so on and so forth sharp and then kuleyo money laundering tonto yakhona engekho clear where the president is shocked boom the same president inama ID numbers ayi3 asiphethe uRamaphosa bafethu and imnandi nobody says Ramaphosa must fall akuna media ethi uRamaphosa uyaphetha yabo imagine if it was Zuma and Khulubuse Zuma aphika uKhulubuse ukuthi uyamazi yo media will buzzing front page City Press Sunday Times Daily Sun mangabe isasekhona Sowetan wonke lamaphepha SAFM made sure ukuthi uZuma doesn't survive bengiyimamela like lo siswa Standard 20 into wazibani khohle ukuthi ubani bayenza show 702 ukuthi uvule 7 radio 2000 Zuma this namhlanje it's a joke kuyasihlekela ku relaxiwe president yethu kuthiwa inama ID numbers ayi3 president yethu kuthiwa kunemali ayitholakale kwifarm yayo yathi no beyitrade nalomuntu ipresident yethu is shocked yayazi mangele yeah so nilibele uGeneral SB uyayidlalela it's fine but 90 serious kunento ehambayo la asazi ke le top 5 ukuthi nabo bani ngoba kuthiwa basafake 2 kungabi lento engicabangayo
le regeni ka yona ya president ya lena ya ba le ID J3 ID number J3 driver ya mkhona zuka rutse je driver bana abe president Ramaphosa ba rona le ID number J3 le reni ka yona bana ithomile le bomalusi gigaba anabele ke president Cyril Ramaphosa mara ne driver zizirili dwa ka masepa street bana le regini ka driver Cyril Ramaphosa bana Cyril Ramaphosa ukhumanile anali ID number J3 so le akona o bona re botsebotse oraro ona le account number abudjali bude o ka le ID jewe kore le children le rona ya Cyril Ramaphosa botsebotse ke botsotsi fela mara ka re le investigation di busy le ya munyagolla le jeri ngo jale soso le busy le ya nyagollana ne dra ba nyego ikhumana nyagolla talosa jayona ka se di entwe nangole re narka abutsebotse mkhona zuka rudile ka driver mkhona zudile ka driver ke nyagolo bo jama ka bana ke re Cyril Ramaphosa ba re ona le ID number J3 South Africa boss of the citizen bulonari so somtaba jigela longa fast ga para bana wata judge magistrate public protector minister rich or poor police or teacher ke na boss ya so somtaba jigela longa fast ga para the whole world ditaba sije where your president Cyril Ramaphosa ona le ID number J3 ID number J3 uruli berikisa uri ene aritsetse. Those who have not yet followed me, go to TikTok, type I'm not alone as I've spoken of virus, yoga, virus, yoga, and PI, Balozana, Nagasana, Balazurgas, and Jertraba, Caribbean Benin, Arabona, Middle South Africa, Udo publish at Java or Sarah Ramaphosa, Baru Kumanela, and ID number J3, Baru Uberexar ID number Jetar. Yeah, on a Java Jerry Jonaja.
Baraket Matala, Ocher ID Jetaru, Udisi, Jogodi Hawks, Jack is at 10. The IDJ do want to get a president. Nana getting give a reply, give out Jolly, give a new shop. Our plaga selo fellow. Never watch our education is the key to success. Barricade, like you want to barricade. No, president is sure by next year, the Vichir Musir, alleged. The Vichir Musir. But Alex KT Oriana Garcia Fasale knows the president. I would hope the president Halele Maishan or KT or Cat Matala, all the village distance on a found. You're evidence on a given ma and the daughters alleged. When I keep from more few miles away from president's home. Oh.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgosi waseMzansi guys. Itindzaba taseMzansi adipheli inkosi yami, hlezi nje tikhona, hlezi tishisa, hlezi tisishaqa. So exposiwe ke upresident wethu Cyril Matamela Ramaphosa ngokuthi una 3 ma-ID number. Sho ukuthi kahle kahle unema-ID layi-3, lanema-ID number lahlukene. Ngubani guys la emhlabeni umuntu onema-ID number layi-3 uRamaphosa. So bam-exposile for lokho guys, uyomangala ukuthi why uRamaphosa angabi nendzaba netinto leti affect abantu baseMzansi, angabi nendzaba nokuthi ama-foreign ayahlala lana. Like he doesn't care about anything lo baba nkosi yami. He doesn't care about anything. Kukuthi naye he knows ukuthi yena himself is corrupt. Yena himself ungitsotsi usigebengu guys, asikase sibe ne-president lesigebengu njenga-Cyril Ramaphosa, and to think ukuthi he is still a president of South Africa nje is just so embarrassing. Kuvisana amahloni. Imagine kokuthi maweva ama-foreigner kokuthi Ramaphosa una 3 ma-ID bathini, bavele babone nabo ukuthi hayibo kwanathi nje njengoba sinema-ID emgunyati si-right mos kuyafana ne-president yakhona kwayona yenta umgunyati lomunye lonzima kabi. So abantu abaningi batibuta ukuthi kungani abe na 3 ma-ID number. So bathi bantu bafuna ukuthi atiphendulele, and people are already saying ukuthi hayi he's going to lie vele, or he's just gonna deny it because ngokuphika ublind President Ramaphosa, ngokuphika hayi cha udambela yedwana, uyayiphika nje into ithe bye ehleli ebalweni avela ayiphika athi hayi mina ngiyati. Uyaphika nje lama-ID number lawa kokuthi akhe. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. I'm signing out. Goodbye.